Namaste students, this is your maths sir Vinayak Tony. In this video we are going to learn about line graph. Line graph means a data which is represented with the help of lines is called as line graph. In this video we are going to learn to draw the line graph with an example. Here is an example. XYZ school was opened in 2010 with 50 students. The number of students between 2010 and 2015 is shown in table. Represent the data on a line graph. Here they are given the table. In 2010 it started with 50. In 2011 number of students in the school 250. 2012 350, 2013 400, 2014 400, 2015 300. After this they are asking some questions on this given data. In which year was the increase in the students the most? In which year did the number not grown at all? In which year was there a fall in a number? Question D. What do you think could be the reason for the fall? Before going to answer these questions, I am going to draw the line graph. With the help of a line graph, I am going to answer all these questions. To draw the line graph, we need to draw the two lines first. Those are one vertical line, that is standing line, another one with end of this line one horizontal line. This vertical line will be called as y-axis. This horizontal line will be called as x-axis. On x-axis I started with 2010 and here on y-axis I started with 0. So first we will finish this x-axis, that is horizontal line. I started with 2010. Next, after 1 centimeter, I will mark 2011. Next 1 centimeter, I will mark 2012. After that 1 centimeter, I will mark 2013. Same way, I will mark for each 1 centimeter as 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017. The distance between each year has to be fixed. Once we took that one, after that for same 1 centimeter on y-axis I am taking as a 50 students each. First centimeter I took it as 50 students. Second centimeter I took it as 100. Third centimeter I took it as 150 students. Fourth 200. Fifth 250. Sixth 300. Seventh 350. Eighth 400 and last ninth I took it as 450. This way here I drawn the y-axis, here I drawn the x-axis along with respective given data. These are the number of students. Here the numbers represents the time or in years. Once we represent the given data on y and x axis, we'll start constructing the line graph. To draw the line graph, first we need to show each point on this graph. We already told these are the number of students, so I am shown here. These are the years, so I wrote here as a time or years. Once we finish this, next step we need to represent this data. To represent number of students 50 in 2010, we need to search 2010 as well as 50. If you search 2010, it is on x-axis, 50 is on y-axis. Both will meet at this point, so this point is represents number of students as well as year 2010. We finish first one, same way we'll do the second point. It is 2011, it is here, 2050 which is here. If we look at this 2011 and 2050, both will meet on this point. So this point represents 2011 and 250. We finished second. Now we'll move to the third, that is 2012 and 350. 2012 is here, 350 is here. If we draw the straight line both from 350 and 2012, both will meet at this point. This point represents the 2012 and 350. Same way, next one is 2013 and 400. 2013 is here, 400 is here. Both the lines will meet at this point, represent 2013 and 400. Same way, if you look at the next one, it is 2014 and 400. 2014 is here, 400 is here. Both will meet at this point. This point represents the 2014 and 400. 2015 and 300. 2015 is here, 300 is here. Both the lines will intersect at this point. This point represents the 215 and 300. Here we got all the points of given data. We will join these points with line segments. First 2 points I joined, second, third, fourth and fifth. This represents the given data in the line graph. Here you are finding each line and dot. Each dot represents this all the things, and we will come to know that school has started with 50 students. It is got increased, and in the end of 2015 it again little decreased. Now we will start answering these questions. In which year was the increase in students the most? To identify which year it was increased most, first we will find the difference between the number of students between two consecutive years. In these two consecutive years, 2010 to 2011, it is increased by 250 minus 50, 200. In 2011 to 2012, it is again increased by 100. From 2012 to 2013, it is again increased, that is 400 minus 350 equals to 50 by 50 students. 2013 to 2014, it is same, not increased nor decreased. But in 2014 to 2015, it is decreased by 100 students. From this difference, we will come to know that in the year 2011 it is increased most. So that is the first answer. In the year 2011 increased most. Second one, in which year did the number not grown at all? So if you see the straight line at an here, it will suggest us that in the year of 2014 it is not increased. So that is my answer. In the year 2014, number of students not increased. Next question, in which year was there a fall in number? You know that in the year of 2015 it is fell. So that is my answer. In the year 2015, number of students fell. And last, they are asking, what do you think could be the reason for the fall? If you look at the graph, after seeing this graph, we will come to know that the number of students in 2015 is decreased than the 2014. Easily we will say that it was 400, here it is 300, which means the number is decreased. Because of that, we will say that the number of students fell. These are 4 answers for the questions which they asked on this line graph. This way we will construct the line graph and we will answer the questions with the help of a line graph.